We're joined now by Ken Isaacs, the Vice President of Programs and Government Relations for Samaritan's Purse. Thanks for making time for us.
Thank you, Annie. It's good to be with you.
All right, so talk about how you even begin to prepare to help in such a disastrous situation like what we're seeing in Turkey and Syria. You guys do it all the time, but how do you prepare for this?
That's a great question. It's a lot of work, and we've actually put many years into preparing for it to give us the capacity to do it. And so the first thing it takes is you've got to have a team of people. They need to be trained. They need to be vetted. They've got to be, all the paperwork for insurance and just a lot of stuff. And it's about a 4-month-long process. But that team is called a DART team, a disaster assistance response team. And we have about 2,000 people on that roster. So when a crisis like this one in Turkey has come up, we put a call out for people to come forward. They show us by email, their availability, and then we assemble a team. You've got to have that DART team that goes into the field. You've got to have a management team back here. You need to have supplies in place. You've got to have the logistics and the expertise.
And especially with all the images that we're seeing coming out of that nation there. When your crews get there, what's the first and biggest priority and challenge in a situation like this?
So we had our first people get on the ground yesterday, and in the day before that, we had some partners, some Christians that we've known and worked with for a long time. So they went right to Gaziantep. They were at ground zero, and we're getting live information, what the needs are, what's going on the ground, what are the roads, are any vehicles moving, what's the weather like, all of those kind of bare things. And then from that, we're able to figure out how to get into the country. We right now have about 30 people in country or moving in that direction today. And we still don't have the plane landed with the actual hospital on it yet, but we're building that momentum up right now and preparing for that.
It is such a huge undertaking, and you respond very quickly. What are the people on the ground telling you right now about what they're seeing in all those conditions that you mentioned?
Well, they're seeing 150, 200,000 people sleeping outside. Folks have run out of their houses. They've run out of their buildings. You've seen those images. Buildings are, 10 degrees out of kilter. Buildings are totally collapsed. The ruins that are being sort of dug through with heavy machinery, tenderly trying to find survivors. But people are cold. They're in shock. Many of them are injured. A report that I got this morning from the Turkish embassy reported that over 144,000 people are injured. So those people are in need of medical care. Many of them, broken bones and need surgery for trauma care. It's the biggest disaster in Turkey in over 100 years.